Hi guys, it has been a while. It's actually been around 2 years since I made a vlog. And you might be asking, oh, what brings you here after 2 years, Pernali? Your girl finally got a mic. You might be asking, girl, where's the mic? I don't see it on my shirt. I don't see it. It's here. This is the Lark M2 wireless lavalier. I do not know how to say that word. You see, lavalier, whatever, microphone. And it has been 2 years of me vlogging, somewhat vlogging, and I have not yet had a microphone. So this is my first time, and I want to share it with you. So let's open it. It's somewhat already been opened, like it's been destructed, honestly. So, okay, so this microphone, honestly, it looks so high-tech. Like, I've seen pictures of it online. Honestly, so high-tech. Like, you won't expect it from this generation. Okay, so this is a top view. There's clearly a lot going on right now. It actually looks so high-tech. I'm actually kind of nervous. All right, since I've shown you the top view, let's actually get into it. First of all, what I love about this microphone is that they're so thoughtful. Like, they know that, you know, when you put on the microphone, you might not like the logo. So they gave us cute stickers. Like, do you see these stickers? There's more, bro. Black and white if you want to be basic, and then all of these. Like, honestly, comment down below which one I should put, but let me actually show you the mic. But before we get to the mic, I need to show you like the USB drives and stuff. So this one is for iPhones 14 and below, and the other one is for iPhones 15 and above, or Androids. And for the star of the show, which is the actual microphone, here she is. Oh, here she is. So this is like the logo, which will be on the microphone. Yes, I've done my research. I've seen pictures of it. I've seen videos of it. So I know how it looks, and you just like apply a sticker on it if you don't like how it looks, which is honestly amazing. So grand reveal, guys. Ta-da-da. Okay, so they actually give you 2 microphones instead of 1, which is actually so handy. So these 2 are the same, and they are used for iPhones, Androids, you know, mobile held phones. And like, they're magnets, which is actually so convenient because they're so easy to use. Like, you just clip it on, just magnetize it, and it's just done. And if you don't like how it looks, again, you can add a sticker, which is honestly so cool. And I won't be showing you more of this because it's the same thing as that. But this is a microphone for handheld cameras, like, you know, the ones that actual vloggers are supposed to be using. But your girl hasn't upgraded to an actual camera yet, but give her time, bro. But once I actually get an actual camera, I will be using this. And yeah, let's get into what's inside the box. Like, you might think, oh, Pernali, what do you mean? Like, it's done. You open this lid, you pull this little flap, ta-da, there's goodie bags inside, bro. You know your girl loves goodie bags. So there's a little pouch, so cute. And what's inside the pouch? Okay, first off, this wire. So this is actually used for the handheld camera microphone, where you just, like, you know, plug it in right there, and then you plug in the other side for the actual, like, camera, because obviously it doesn't connect to these 2, which is used for the mobile phones. So once that goes in, 1 second, stuck. There we go. Okay. So that's that, and I'll just be putting it aside, and I'll be cleaning up later. Okay, next is the furry pouch. I actually seen so many TikTokers use this fuzzy pouch, right? And I was like, oh, I thought that was just part of the design. No, it actually helps with wind retention. Like, if you're recording outdoors and you have a lot of background noise and you want to get rid of it, you just like surround this with the freaking mic, and you know, your wind is gone. Your wind, your background noise, they're all gone. So that aside, they actually gave 2 of those. I actually saw this. Like, oh yeah, see? And a charger, portable charger. So, you know, you just plug this onto your iPhone 15, Android, whatever. Charger, convenient, very convenient. And I actually did my research. You can actually charge this while using the microphone. Like, how cool is that? And what else? Oh yes, oh my god, the necklace. Like, it's actually such a high, like, key. Like, I haven't seen this in other, like, microphone unboxing videos and different microphones. Like, this is actually really cool. It's, you just clip it on to your microphone, and it's like a necklace. If you don't want to clip it onto your shirt, like, it's just another convenient way of putting it on. Just as easy, just as, like, just as accurate. It works just the same. So now I will be trying on this microphone, and I will be giving you a test, and then finally my rating on it. Okay. Hello, testing. Hi, my name is Pranali Kumar. This is what I'll be using for future vlogs. Okay, hopefully this works, or else it's just like embarrassing, but hopefully it works. Okay, so I just went back to like, the footage. The microphone's still on, by the way. Honestly, this product is a 10 out of 10. Not sponsored, by the way. This is just me trying out things that I get. And honestly, I should make this a series, like part 1, Pranali gets a new microphone. Part 2, Pranali gets a new camera. Hopefully. But yeah, honestly, should you buy it? Yes, definitely. Is it worth the money? Yeah. I mean, honestly, I'll give you like the full info and like the pictures and everything. In the end, it will also be in the thumbnail. So just watch and please support me, guys. Subscribe and like. Bye.